I'm Joanne Corbett, and I'm the Director of Property Management Services at the Matthews Company here in Nashville. I've been in property management all of my career, but I've been here with the Matthews Company almost 11 years. We've got a 450-car garage that we needed to upgrade the access controls and technology on, and we asked for a proposal to solve the problems that we'd identified with the system that we had. And they gave us a very detailed proposal, which included not only software upgrades, but some equipment upgrades as well. Well, I can tell you that, first off, the proposal was detailed and was very helpful to us because we had a team that was going to review it. And he was available to answer questions during the proposal process. If we had, if something didn't help us, we didn't understand it, then he would answer those questions for us very promptly. Once we got to contract and we got to installation, there's always challenges with a retrofit, and we ran into a few of those challenges, but his communication with us was excellent. He let us know every time that he came upon something that was unanticipated or maybe didn't quite work out exactly the way we thought it would. And so the communication was great. The options and the alternatives we were able to study quickly and proceed with the installation. That I have recommended CPC to other property management professionals and would do it again.